The new iPhone 15 Pro Max is rumored to offer some of the most significant enhancements in years, from its looks and performance to the cameras and battery, and there may be a feature exclusive to the Pro Max that is absent from the regular iPhone 15 Pro. Here are the top 5 features of the new iPhone 15 Pro Max, starting with the Periscope telephoto zoom camera, which is the one feature that could help Apple reclaim the top spot on the list of best camera phones. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is rumored to feature a periscope telephoto lens, which could boost the zoom range from 3x optical on the iPhone 14 Pro Max to 6x zoom. Next, the iPhone 15 Pro Max and iPhone 15 Pro are anticipated to feature a new titanium design. Titanium is stronger than aluminum and lighter, so we might see a more portable iPhone 15 Pro Max that is also more resistant to drops and other damage. According to a separate leaker, the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max will use grade 5 titanium. Apple has been experimenting with various titanium alloy mixtures over the past year to discover the most effective combination of strength and radio frequency performance. Next is the A17 Bionic chip inside the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which is rumored to be the world's first 3M processor, which could outperform every Android phone. Apple will be able to cram even more transistors into its new chip, which should make competitors nervous. The iPhone 15 Pro Max will reportedly feature an even larger 4,852 mAh battery, compared to the iPhone 14 Pro Max's 4,323 mAh battery, and thanks to Defined Stack, the battery technology on the iPhone 15 series, Apple will be able to offer more capacity without increasing the battery's physical footprint. Multiple sources have speculated that the price of the iPhone 15 Pro Max could increase by as much as $200, bringing the starting cost of Apple's largest and best new iPhone from $1,099 to $1,299. In contrast, the Galaxy S23 Ultra costs $1,119. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.